dangerous weight loss drugs versus safer alternatives. Sometimes when we become so self-conscious about our physical appearance, we would do almost anything to eliminate those unwanted pounds of fat. And sometimes we feel there are only a few choices to choose from. So what do many slightly and really overweight people do? Many turn to diet drugs without a second thought. The Not-Offa website clearly informs the general public of how dangerous most weight loss drugs can be. For example, phenylpropanolamine, which was marketed under different names such as Dexatrim, Accutrim, Dexta Diet, and others, causes insomnia, headaches, anxiety, disorientation, fast heartbeat, hallucinations, vomiting, high blood pressure, heart and kidney damage, psychosis, heart attack, and lastly, sudden death. The site goes on to state that such drugs rarely ever produce enduring weight loss results. At present there are more than 50 new weight loss drugs that are ready to be approved for consumer consumption. There is the case of the amphetamine appetite suppressant. In 1999, in France, this drug was removed from the market on account of causing serious cardiovascular side effects. Because of the serious side effects of weight loss drugs, more and more people are turning to alternative means for helping them win the battle against unwanted fat and obesity. If I had a choice, I would first consider a natural weight loss helper over a diet drug. Why take unnecessary risks with your health? A safe alternative to weight loss drugs is to exercise regularly on a daily basis, 15-20 minutes. Such exercise will help to suppress your appetite. Or you can simply try eating a little less each day in a progressive manner in order to prevent your body from experiencing a shocking reaction. Fasting is always a good idea as an effective measure for losing weight as well as for eliminating many toxins from your body. If that does not work for you, nor excites you to new heights, there's a number of safe national appetite suppressants such as Metabo Speed 30, or the much talked about African cactus plant called Hoodia gordonii. By what I have read so far online about this Hoodia from South Africa, sounds very promising. It's supposed to naturally remove one's appetite by making your brain believe that you're full without having eaten. You can find factual information about this African plant below. Hi there. If you've got this far watching this video, it means either you are really serious about losing weight or you know someone who might be interested with this information. That's why I invite you to visit my blog at www.bestfoodsforweightloss.org, also to click the like button and share this video on Facebook, Twitter or any other social network. Thanks and good luck on your quest.